Jamaica is a paradise full of rich history and beautiful landscapes where endless options of exhilarating adventure beckon. A stay in a vacation rental is the perfect way to play around and experience the real Jamaica. From soaring above the treetops or running across the white sandy beaches, climbing aboard a bamboo raft while your experienced captain skillfully pulls the raft and navigates the jade green waters. Journeying through lush, green, untouched rainforests in Jamaica and experience Mother Nature's finest hidden blue hole swalls. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for every thrill seeker. Returning home to your private villa, where your staff are waiting to serve you, with mouth-watering home-cooked meals including Jamaican, American, and continental specialties. Meals are served on the terrace, pool area, or in the more formal dining area. The pool deck is also a favorite spot for massages.